Iguazu Falls or Iguazu Falls are waterfalls of the Iguazu River on the border of the Argentine province of Misiones and the Brazilian state of Paraná. Together, they make up the largest waterfall in the world. The falls divide the river into the upper and lower Iguazu. Halong Bay or Halong Bay is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and popular travel destination in Quang Ninh Province, Vietnam. The name Halong means descending dragon. Administratively, the bay belongs to Ha Long City, Kem Pha City, and is a part of Van Don District. The bay features thousands of limestone karsts and isles in various shapes and sizes. Jeju Island is the largest island in South Korea, located in the Jeju Province. The island covers an area of 1,833.2 square kilometers, which is 1.83% of the total area of South Korea. In 2020, the resident registration population is about 670,000, the largest among the islands in South Korea. This park features a spectacular limestone karst landscape with an underground river. One of the river's distinguishing features is that it emerges directly into the sea, and its lower portion is subject to tidal influences. The area also represents a significant habitat for biodiversity conservation. The site contains a full mountain-to-sea ecosystem and has some of the most important forests in Asia. Table Mountain is a flat-topped mountain forming a prominent landmark overlooking the city of Cape Town in South Africa. The mountain forms part of the Table Mountain National Park, and part of the lands formerly ranged by Khoi-speaking clans, such as the Urals, the Hai clan. It is home to a large array of mostly endemic fauna and flora. Komodo is one of the 17,508 islands that comprise the Republic of Indonesia. The island is particularly notable as the habitat of the Komodo dragon, the largest lizard on Earth, which is named after the island. Komodo Island has a surface area of 390 square kilometers and a human population of over 2,000. The people of the island are descendants of former convicts who were exiled to the island and who have mixed with Bugis from Sulawesi. The Amazon rainforest, alternatively, the Amazon jungle or Amazonia, is a moist broadleaf tropical rainforest in the Amazon biome that covers most of the Amazon basin of South America. This basin encompasses 7 million square kilometers, 2,700,000 square miles, of which 5,500,000 square kilometers, 2,100,000 square miles, are covered by the rainforest. This region includes territory belonging to 9 nations and 3,344 formally acknowledged indigenous territories.